Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change language in Pokémon GO application on your mobile device. To change the language on Pokémon GO, launch open the Pokémon GO application on your mobile device and from the home page, tap on the Pokéball icon at the bottom center to open the menu. Now, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the Settings menu, tap on General. Click on the Use Device Settings drop-down right next to Language, and then select a different language from the menu and click on OK. After you do that, you can get back to the game and now you can enjoy Pokémon GO in your preferred language. If you ever want to switch languages again, just repeat the same steps anytime. So that's how it's done. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.